Naturaliss Jamaican Home Cooking. Alright. This week I'm going to be doing Medina tea, 6 boots. Yeah. So if you're just joining, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend, and then another friend. Come make we bubble apart. So we have our Medina weed right there. Right, if you're familiar with the Jamaican roots, this is one of the ingredients that is used to make Jamaican roots, right, which is good for stamina, increase your sex performance and stuff like that, right? Going to wash our Medina. We're going to boil for 20 minutes. Medina is finished boiling. Going to let that cool, right, and brew. We have our Betty sweetened condensed milk, not sponsored by Betty. Although our Betty sweetened condensed milk. We have our supplement, right? Not sponsored by Nestle. Other supplement. So we have our Guinness stout, not sponsored by Guinness. add our Guinness. Have our nutmeg, alright. So we have our Benjamin's artificial vanilla flavoring, right? Gonna add our vanilla. Sweet. Yeah man, Medina tea 6 boots is ready, like Freddy, you know. Going to test it out and see what it is like. Cheers. Yeah man, very energizing, you know. Feel strong and ready, you know, take on any challenge, right? Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend. Friend, and then another friend. Boop.